Hi everyone, my name is Garth Oksol and I'm coming to you from Reno, Nevada in the United States. Now, we've been with LiveGood for a while and we've gotten a lot of questions as our team continues to grow. One of the questions we get quite a bit is, when will I see spillover or when will I see my matrix fill in? Well, first off, let's start with what your matrix is. So every person who enrolls starts with their 2x15 matrix, meaning this is you at the top. Everybody gets a 2x15. What that 2 means is at the top there's 2. Then they get 2, which ends up being 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then 64, and it keeps doubling because of that 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. It keeps doubling until you get all the way down to 15 levels deep, which ends up being 16,768 people, which I cannot fit onto a single piece of paper. So I stopped at level 5, which is when it got too wide for us to see what's going on. So let's talk about, where is your spillover? When is your matrix going to fill in? We'll use us as an example. So this is Aaron and I. We signed up. We went out of the gates blazing. So we started signing up people left and right. And one of the things I want to point out is the matrix gives precedence to the left side. So we signed up our first person, our second person, our third. Our fourth actually jumps over here. Then our fifth, then our sixth, seventh jumps again to the left side, which let's say is you, and you've jumped in. We're continuing to rock and roll. We go here, then we got to come back, left, 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 left. And let's say, right as we're ready to fill you in, you did what you're supposed to do. You shared the video, and someone signed up under you, okay? So it skips. We then fill in here, here, here. Boom, we got to come all the way back. We're filling in. Okay, then perhaps we get one. Here, here, here. Now, let's say this person did what they're supposed to do. They fill in their left. Again, boom, boom, boom. We'll just all the way lefts. That left is filled, which means we skip that one, and we're coming over here and filling this. Boom, boom, keeps going. Eventually, this all fills in, and now we end up coming down here and filling all of this in as well. So there, you're starting to see some of the matrix spillover. Now, the time to get from here to here can be quite a while, because obviously this is a lot of people when we get to that point of filling in. You can see these numbers here. That's 14 people right there coming over here. That's like 48, 50 people, actually more than that need to fill in, because it is the lefts. You're talking close to 100 people that have to come in before that gets filled. So it's going to take time, but it will fill in. It's not going to happen in the first week. It's not going to happen in the second week or the third week. Maybe in the first month. It kind of depends on what everyone else up in here is doing, if they're filling in their Champagne Tower of Awesomeness, because again, each one of these people starts their own 2x15 or Champagne Tower of Awesomeness. So it'll take time. It will fill in. We've seen it happen with people that have been with us now for a couple of months, that they're starting to see some spillover. It's not big, but it will happen over time. Again, we're only 7 months into this, and the company's going to be around for years. So you're in a perfect time to be in here. Be patient, but the biggest key is to help you with filling in your matrix. Go share it with 2 people. Help those 2 get their 2. Help those 2 get their 2, and start building your own Champagne Tower of Awesomeness. All right, everyone, I hope that helped. With that information, go and live good.